Assalamualaikum, welcome to the new video. Welcome to my lovely subscribers. 125 divided by 5 plus 4 into 3. If we divide 5 divided by 125, it is equal to 25. 25 plus 4, 29, and 29 into 3, which is equal to 87. That is wrong. Here we apply BODMAS rule or PEMDAS rule, bracket of order, division, addition and subtraction. Now here we apply multiplication and division when came with the same position from left to right. We first divide 5 divided by 125, it is equal to 25 plus 4 into 3. Then we apply multiplication, 4 into 3. Four ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 threes are 12. And 25 plus 12 equal to 37. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.